Hello everyone, welcome back to Kids Activity. Today we are going to learn about animals and their shelter. We live in house to protect ourselves from cold, heat and rain. Similarly, all living things need a shelter to protect themselves from cold, heat and rain. Now, let us go to the animals and their shelter. Dog lives in kennel. Cow lives in shade. Rabbit lives in burrow. Lion lives in den. Horse lives in stable. Hen lives in coop. Ant lives in ant hill. Spider lives in web. Goat lives in pen. Bird lives in nest.